In this video, I'm going to show you how to control your phone from a PC without installing anything. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. Open Settings on your phone. Go to the About Phone section and tap on the Build Number option multiple times. This will unlock the developer options. Now go to the developer options and switch on the USB debugging feature. Now, open this website using the link given description. Connect your phone to the computer with the USB cable. Then click on the Connect button present on the website. Select your phone. Click on Connect button. You will get a pop-up on your phone. Tap on Allow. There you have it. Controlling your phone from a PC without installing anything is that easy. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.